Today I'm working on a 2012 BMW 3 Series. This one's an X-Drive and it came in with wheel speed sensor faults. So I just got a new wheel speed sensor for it. It was, not really diagnosed, but this is something I see pretty often, so I'm making a quick video talking about what to check for. So I already pulled the wheel speed sensor out so I could show you what it looks like. Here's the end of the wheel speed sensor. You see how it's kind of shaved off like that? It kind of looks like it's been in contact with something. That's because the tone ring that's on the axle here, that little toothed ring right there, has rust behind it, and that pushed it out to the point of contacting the sensor. So it damages the sensor as well as gives you a misread on the rotation, so you'll get a bunch of wheel speed sensor related faults. Sometimes they'll crack and then one of the gaps will be larger than the other ones, and then you'll get a fault because of that. Other times they'll just swell up and damage the sensor. So whatever the case, you either need to replace the axle or the tone ring if it's serviceable, as well as the sensor to take care of the problem. So something to look for, not only on a BMW, but depending on the design. Sometimes these rings are kind of built into the wheel bearing and then into the dust shield on the wheel bearing. But on these BMWs, there's a separate ring that you can visibly see, which is nice. It's nice that you can actually see them. But yeah, just something to look for. Thanks for watching.